Hi, thanks for taking time out of your day for this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. We're talking about Google PageSpeed Insights. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort, we can do this content today. The way that PageSpeed Insights works is they've got two tabs up at the top, one for mobile and one for desktop. So I want you to take a look, go to that URL, the one listed there. If you go to the show notes, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, you'll get that link and all the other ones we talked about. I entered in the JustGuy.net webpage about why SiteGround, and it performed really good. And then, as you can see in the video I'm going to share, it's even better with the Accelerated Mobile Pages plugin for WordPress-powered sites. And so take a look at that when you take the time. Hi, just real quick, there's 3 ways to get a hold of Guy R. Cook. You can go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, just like it shows in that text there. Or you can look me up on about.me/GuyRCook and contact me through that URL. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking to you. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day. It's a wrap.